In today's video, I'm going to show you how to forget a saved Wi-Fi network on Windows 10 in a quick and easy way. This is useful if your computer keeps connecting to the wrong network, if the password is changed, or if you simply want to remove an old connection you no longer use. Don't worry, forgetting a network doesn't damage anything. It just clears the saved details so you can reconnect fresh later. Let's start. First, click on the Start menu and open Settings. From the Settings window, select Network and Internet. This is where Windows manages all of your internet connections. Next, look at the left-hand menu and click on Wi-Fi. On the Wi-Fi page, find and click the option called Manage Known Networks. This section shows a list of all the Wi-Fi networks your computer has connected to before. Scroll through the list until you find the network you want to remove. Click on that network once and you'll see a button labeled Forget. Go ahead and click Forget. As soon as you do, Windows removes the saved password and connection settings for that network. That's it. The network is now forgotten. If you ever want to connect to it again, just click the Wi-Fi icon on your taskbar, select the network from the list, and enter the password again like it's a new connection. And that's how you forget a network on Windows 10. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.